Hello friend, I am Dr. Ahmed Shahzad, Assistant Professor, Zoology Department, Mahatma Phule Arts Commerce and Sitaramji Chaudhary Science Mahavidyalaya Varud. Today we are discuss about DNA is a genetic material. For the DNA is a genetic material. In the last lecture we will discuss about the DNA genetic material by using Griffith experiment. Here today we are discuss about Hershey and Chase experiment. Alfred Hershey was born in 1908. There are two scientists. One is Hershey, second one is Chase, Martha Chase, which is born 1930. Next, they were used bacterial viruses. Here, several different scientists repeated every experiment. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase performed the most important of the experiment relating to average discovery. Hershey and Chase studies viruses, non-living particles that can affect to living cell. Here, next, bacteriophage. What is meant by the bacteriophage? The kind of virus that infect bacteria is known as the bacteriophage. ऐसा वायरस जो बैक्टीरिया से इन्फेक्टेड होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड बैक्टीरियोफेज विच मीन्स बैक्टीरिया ईटर. A typical bacteriophage is shown in the diagram. When a bacteriophage enters a bacterium, it attaches to the surface of the bacterial cell and inject its genetic information into it. Here there is a diagram of the bacteriophage. Here the head region having a DNA, that is the tail sheath and tail fiber. The bacteriophage having divided into three parts: head, tail sheath and tail fiber. Head having DNA. Next, American scientists Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase studied a bacteriophage that was composed of DNA, core, and a portion coat. They wanted to determine which part of the virus, the protein code or the DNA code, entered the bacterial cell. Their result would either support or disprove Avery's finding that genes were made of DNA. Next, Hershey and Chase grew viruses in culture containing radioactive isotope of phosphorus 32, that is denoted by P32, and sulfur 35, that is denoted by S35. Here that is the structure of bacteriophage with phosphorus 32 in DNA. Bacteriophage with phosphorus 32 in DNA. Here bacteriophage with sulfur 35 in protein coat. Next, since protein contain almost no phosphorus and DNA contained no sulfur, these radioactive substance could be used as a make marker, enabling the scientists to tell which molecule actually entered the bacteria and carried the genetic information of the virus. Here, two bacteriophage, phosphorus 32 in DNA, phosphorus 32 in DNA, sulfur 35 in protein coat. Next, the two scientists mixed the marked viruses with bacterial cell, waited a few minutes for the viruses to inject their genetic material, and then tested the bacteria for radioactivity. Here, bacteriophage with phosphorus 32 in DNA inject into the bacterium. Phage infect, that is called phage infect bacterium. Now next, रेडियो एक्टिविटी इनसाइड द बैक्टीरियम. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, रेडियो एक्टिविटी इनसाइड हो जाएगा बैक्टीरियम के. नेक्स्ट क्या मिलेगा रिजल्ट में, यहाँ पर सेकंड वाला बैक्टीरियोफेज विथ सल्फर 35 मीन्स प्रोटीन कोट वाला. ये क्या करेगा, अभी यहाँ पे इंजेक्ट करेगा फेज इम्पैक्ट टू द बैक्टीरिया. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, देयर इज नो रेडियो एक्टिव इनसाइड द बैक्टीरियम. फर्स्ट वाले में क्या होगा, रेडियो एक्टिव इनसाइड. फर्स्ट वाला बोले तो कौन सा, फास्फोरस 32 विद द हेल्प, किसके साथ था फास्फोरस 32, डीएनए के साथ. सेकंड में प्रोटीन के साथ कौन है, सल्फर. तो जो डीएनए के साथ है वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, रेडियो एक्टिव इनसाइड द बैक्टीरियम. और जो सल्फर 35 के साथ मतलब प्रोटीन कोट वाला, यहाँ पे क्या रहा है, देयर इज नो रेडियो एक्टिव इनसाइड द बैक्टीरियम. हेयर nearly all radioactivity in the bacteria was phosphorus p32, the marker found in DNA. Hershey and Chase concluded that the genetic material of bacteriophage was DNA, not a protein. क्यों बोल रहा है, बिकॉज डीएनए के साथ क्या था, फास्फोरस 32. तो ये क्या हो गया था, सेल में ट्रांसफर हुआ था, इंटर हो गया था, सेल के अंदर इंटर्ड हुआ था. दैट इज कॉल्ड radioactivity inside the bacterium here. That's why Hershey and Chase concluded that the genetic material of bacteriophage was the DNA, not a protein. Next.